Hello, hello. It's another episode of our blog actually. So this is gonna be good today, and well, every blog is good. The drinks that I gonna make today is a tribute of the incumbent president actually. So this is BBM-EXPRESS. The main ingredients of that drinks actually is the Tanduay 15. And then you get the Finlandia Vodka. And then you got Melon Liqueur. And then you got the Choco. If you have Hershey, then you can use the Hershey also. And then I got the Calamansi honey. So I got these two for garnish, and for just you can top up also like a wafer roll. So this one, right? Let me get the ice. I got frosty glass, really frozen glass, martini glass, and the ice. So a jigger of the 15 years old rum. Smells good. This rum is really good. And then you get the Finlandia, jigger the Finlandia. About 20 of this. The Melon Liqueur. And then a jigger of the Calamansi honey. And then the last thing is the Choco. That's gonna be about the jigger also. Ice, scoop of ice. So this is the BBM-EXPRESS. Right, that's it. Perfect. And then the wafer rules. And then this to be crushed on top of the drinks. Alright, so this is your BBM-EXPRESS. I hope you bosses see these drinks, and maybe you can celebrate with this drink for you and enjoy. And before we end up this session actually tonight, please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and then I got my Facebook page also. Share it to your friends, your family, to everybody. And then I got the Instagram. So thank you so much. It's another weekend. Happy weekend. Bye.